Today we are hiking about 10 kilometers into this valley here. So my plan is to find a place and build myself a shelter. I've never built a shelter before, so I'm just gonna go there. I'm gonna see what there is, and I'm gonna try to build a shelter. I do have a tarp with me, so I will incorporate that into the shelter. But other than that, it's probably gonna be rocks. Yeah, because there aren't any trees here, so. And I haven't seen anyone so far. I've heard that there are, in the summer times, there are yurt camps here. People come and up here in the summer for a bit cooler climate, I guess, and better grazing for cattle and horses. You're at 3,500. Beautiful. Okay. Kyrgyzstan! Kyrgyzstan!
Kyrgyzstan.
Yay. Good. The guys I met, I asked them if there's any fish in the lake here, and they said no, but he said that the streams here maybe had. Or he didn't speak English, but that's what I could gather at least, so I think I found my spot here. I'll get some rocks and build some walls. Hard work. I'm just gonna build a small one, not a big one. Just a small one. I think that is a pretty good setup. I think so. I'm so hungry. Let me have some lunch and then I'll try to put my tarp over. Some ramen, beef, hopefully, and I think I will have one of these ones, some Chinese beef things, spicy beef. Chicken. There's a chicken on the pack. This must be chicken. That does not look promising. Look at this. I think think it's coming this way. I should probably get the tarp up before it starts raining. I have no idea how to do this. Let me think a little bit and then I'll get back to you. So I tied it off here and then put a stake here. It's a bit too small width-wise, so I think I might move the wall a little bit. Well, you can say it's a little bit tight down here. I just need to organize a little bit here. If I'm gonna sleep here tonight, I have to do some serious improvements. I will move stones from here over there, and then I'll use my backpack as a door. It will be a little bit easier to get in and out. Yeah. I think it's a little bit better. I should have better room when I sleep here. And then basically stretch my body all the way out like that. I need to get myself a bigger tarp. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then make my bed. I can't believe I fit in here. It's a cold morning. Ooh. As much as I want to get in my sleeping bag again, I really have to get going, so. Well, if you made it a little bit longer, that would be nice. But next time I do this, I will measure out more. Oh, cold hands. Most of these rocks are from this old riverbed here, so I'm just throwing them back where they came. I really only have oatmeal, so I think I'm just gonna skip breakfast and put some snacks in my pocket and get going. Alright, let's go. This way. Yeah, from here on it's just gonna be me walking, so from here on out it's just gonna be me talking like this with my arms. No. I'm just gonna walk back and then I'll see you guys next time, unless something interesting happens. Okay, everybody say hello. Salam.